Today we are introduce you Fluke 376 FC AC/DC clamp meter unboxing. 376 FC Fluke clamp meter specification: AC range, DC range, resolution, voltage AC range, voltage DC range, millivolt DC range, ohms range, frequency range, capacitance range, auto shut off yes, to RMS yes, display hold yes, impulse measurement yes, backlight yes, DC 0 yes, minimum and maximum yes, VFT low pass filter yes, logging yes, flex clamp yes included. Now we are opening the box. This is the protection cover. Open. This is a clamp meter. Test lead. Clamp. This is a magnetic holding strip. Clamp meter functions: AC, DC, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency, AC current, DC current, 0, and flex clamp. Flex clamp maximum rating 2500 amps AC. This is a hold button, inverse button, maximum and minimum button, and selection button, yellow selection button. First we are selecting the AC, voltage measuring AC. Next we are selecting the DC voltage. Now we are selecting the yellow for millivolt. We are already selected. Next we are selecting the resistance already shown. Next we are selecting the capacitance voltage selected. Next we are selecting the AC current. Okay, next select the yellow frequency already started. Next we are selecting the